Hi friends, welcome to my channel Yummy Bites. Today I am showing how to make tasty kingfish fry. Kingfish fry is very delicious, easy to cook. It is a favorite among many. I have cleaned and kept the kingfish pieces. Remember, while cleaning, use salt and clean fishes. Now prepare the marinade. For that I have taken 1 pot of garlic, 1 inch ginger, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, half of a red onion. Wash and chop them roughly, grind them to make a paste. Transfer the paste to a flat plate, add 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and mix them well all together. Apply the prepared marinade to all the fish pieces along all sides. Make sure it reaches to all the sides of the fish. Spread some black pepper powder over all fish pieces to make it more flavorful. Cover and keep it in fridge for at least 15 minutes. Heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil in a flat pan on medium high. Put some curry leaves. Place the fish pieces over that. Place the fish pieces gently one by one. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes on one side on medium heat. Now turn the fish pieces carefully without breaking. Fry them for another 3 to 4 minutes on that side on medium heat. Fry till golden brown on both sides. Our fish fry is getting done. It looks so delicious and tempting. Off the flame and place the fried fish on a paper towel to absorb the extra oil. Fish fries can be served with rice or roti. Kingfish is enriched with omega-3, rich in protein and many essential nutrients. Plate them on a serving dish, garnish and serve. Try this recipe. It's very tasty. You will like it. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching the video.